I have on the strandx braided wig from Sensationnel. This is the full hand tied unit 4, and I have her in the color T230. This is the box. If y'all didn't see my reel by now, I've tried 3 other units. I want to say the 1, 3, and the 4. This is a glueless HD wig. Beautiful model. And the colors that come in are the natural colors 1B, 2, 613, T2727, T230, T4, 27, 613 is a full hand-tied lace, which means you have lace all around through the wig, and this is it. I put concealer in my parting spaces to make it look more realistic. I went ahead and jazzed it up and I added some butterfly clamps, the little gold ones. I had some silver ones, but you can jazz it up as you like. I have this pin at the top with some bobby pins to make sure everything is nice and secure. They have the dreads and they feed it in some spiral 30 pieces, and at the end is spiral as well, as you can see. I'm gonna give it around 30 inches. I'm gonna say she's 30 inches. I'm just guessing. This unit is not out yet, and also comes with an adjustable wig band. This unit is 100% kanekalon and it's from the African collection. Combs, 3 combs for security. Has natural parting and baby hair. We have the baby hair in the front and in the back in the nape area, so you can pull it up if you desire to. Full hand-tied HD lace. Everything is pre-braided with this unit. This one, it was not pre-braided all over. This is the unit 3. So now that I've tried 3 out of the 4 strandx Sensationnel braided wigs, I could tell y'all which ones are my favorite, and you should know this one. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 10 because after styling it and everything, and the color T230, this brown is doing something to me, and y'all had to throw my green on. And this unit is also my favorite. It should be the first one. Yeah, the first one. And the blonde, y'all know I am a sucker for blonde. And I like in this collection, the strandx collection, that's Sensationnel, is putting the colors T2 instead of 1B and then onto the lighter colors. I like that. I don't like all that harsh colors with the 1B, you know. Sensationnel, y'all need to stick with the 2 colors and the lighter browns and everything. Like, the wig look more natural and realistic, and y'all, I love this. So y'all get a good look at this unit, and if you hadn't already, go ahead and check my reel out with this unit. So I will see you beauties in another video. Bye.